we doing?
Oh, Orlando premiere is going down.
What's up, y'all? A bit disheveled. Sweat equity. This stuff ain't free. You don't get to this is part of what people like. They want to be a part of something, right? But they only want to be a part of the finished product. They don't want to be a part of the process. And I'm not really talking about anybody in particular, but a lot of times we only get to see the finished result. So we've been hauling stuff in for about 2 hours, and we're setting the booth up, and you see it's just a skeleton right now. See, that's it. Not much right now. The process of the work that's involved in getting stuff together it's a lot of work, man. This is sweat equity. Sweat, right? It's real work. Now, I will get to participate in the good part, right? But a lot of times people want the fruit they want the fruit but no labor. And that's just not sound principle. That's not how life works. This stuff ain't free. It's not free. Oh, what a failure. Damn. All right. But it's not free. You got to be willing to spend the money on your plane ticket first. And then sometimes when you invest in yourself, the payoff isn't immediate. It's not a quick payoff. Keep that in mind when you think you want to be a part of something. At the Bossio hands-on learning class, Bossio 360 G's and get beamed. Everybody's in the building, and you can see these guys are getting it in, man. These guys are asking the questions. Everybody that you see here has invested in themselves. They have spent their own money, they've spent their time, they have traveled. I can't even tell you all the accents that I'm hearing in this place. This is my people, this is my tribe, the learning tribe. My man OG Fade's in the building. How you enjoying the class, bro?
Man, it's lovely.
Me too,
as
man.
always.
Me too. I want to take the class. You know, Miss Roxy made it in. Shout out to Miss Roxy for being the model. I mean, this is good. This is the only place I want to be. So that's a wrap. That's a wrap for Saturday.
That's all you need right there. That's
We had
bang bang.
We had the 2 classes. It was fun. I didn't get to see any of them except for like 2 seconds because I was messing with the booth. But
It was on the live stream.
I heard they were great, right?
It was packed.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go back and check the live stream and see how that went. We're gonna go do the meetup. We're going to hang out with some people and just say that I did it. We just say that but I don't usually do it. TombSquad meet and greet. Alright, so it's finally time. It's day 1 officially of the Orlando premiere 2018. About to get started. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Trying to get in early, make sure we got all our I's dotted and the T's crossed, make sure everything's squared away. I wasn't gonna talk about getting the seniors. That's really the primary reason for being here at this point. Hey, so one thing I didn't show y'all is that our booth is right next to the competition booth. So we'll be able to, you know, cheer on for Matt Gifted Hand and Scraft Blends. But there's one other thing. Check this out. Bag. I got me and my team covered. I don't know if they're gonna see. So we got the booth going. We're in there, right? We're just getting started. This isn't even really a lot of people. But I do need to start a video because I want to talk about something. There's a difference between viewing, watching, witnessing, and participating, right? What you'll notice is like, look, I opened up the whole floor, right? This whole thing is open for anybody that wants to stand and watch this haircut, right? So you can stand and watch right here, right? But why would you not take an opportunity that's been presented to you like that? I don't know. I'm mind blown. I just needed to bring that up. If you go to a show like this and you spend your money and you invest in yourself, utilize the investment that you're making. Don't stand afar and hope that you might catch something by osmosis. Get up in there and ask questions.
Right, so did you call Jason? Where is he physically? Did you call him?
I messaged him.
There's a thing called dialing where you can you go like this and then you put their name.
I don't have Jason's bedroom number on my phone. I have it on WhatsApp.
Oh yeah, so then you can also hit that and then it also dials their number. You can also save their number. Watch, you hit this button here and then it's like they're here, like they're almost in person.
Can you even like FaceTime?
But you can actually talk to the person and they hear you even though they're not next to you.
Back at the spot tonight. Very successful day, man. Jason Patridge did a great job. Got to watch Matt Gifted Hands compete, as well as Shannon. They didn't place, but they did give a really good effort, and really proud of them regardless. Pretty much the biggest stage in America, so you can't be feeling too bad. And before I go to bed, let y'all know I did a thing today at the premiere. Hey, excuse me, sir. Let me ask you a question. So my friend don't think I'm lying.
Yeah.
How many do you have left?
Right here, we got 2 pieces.
At the Orlando premiere.
Orlando premiere.
That's all, these two
This is
are the
it.
last one in the whole. Finally got mine. And I got Matt's. Wait, I got mine. I got mine. I got mine. I got Matt's. I got Matt's. I got Anthony's. I got Alex's. I got Fink's. Shout out Juice, Razor Sharp Barber Shop. Dude that gave me my first shot before he knew I was worth taking a shot on. And my man Wes, about to open up his new shop. It's good to be able to come through for my people. And then this one was very impulsive. Got that rose gold Fabulous FX. I'm excited to try that out. Shout out to everybody that didn't go get a cordless senior on the first day. Shout out to Wall for messing with me before it opened. And yeah, so just kind of bragging a little bit. So I'm gonna go to bed. It's about 1 o'clock. Try to get some rest. Back at it at 8 a.m. Keep this vlog rolling. All right,
Tyler,
Monday,
shout out.
very last day.
Third day.
Third
Voice
day.
is gone. I'm
Bro,
shot.
shout out, but not really shout out.
I'm shot.
So it's the last day. This is where you push. Like, telling the truth, I'm tired. My legs hurt. You do a lot of walking in places like this. You do a lot of thinking and organizing. I'm tired.
Everybody not built for this.
Man,
Not.
man.
Remember, we humble enough to know we not better than no man, but wise enough to know we cut from a different cloth.
So we're gonna go in, do some cuts, talk to some people, and basically just make it the best event that we can. Should be done around 6. Then comes some more work. Like after we get done working, we gotta work some more because we gotta tear down the booth. We gotta do everything, you know? So it's a lot of work involved. A lot of people think that they wanna do this stuff, and you do, you're right, you do. But don't have an unreasonable expectation that you can just show up, somebody's gonna put you on, pay for everything that you wanna do, and you're just gonna be able to sit back and just enjoy it. It's not like that. But I will tell you that the work is hard, but the pay is good. To find yourself somewhere like this, on a day like this, with some people like this. Hey man, Are we blessed or what?
We are super blessed, man.
This is crazy.
We all from different cities right here. Okay.
Humbly blessed, bro. Humbly. I didn't even know these guys, man, but thanks to this, man, we family, man.
It's crazy. Look, Canada. If you're not following him, this is marked by Limos, right? On Instagram. Follow him. Nate, what's your IG, bro?
Nathan Galan, NG Cuts with a Z.
I know every time we make these videos, you see like new faces and stuff like that. Maybe you're not familiar. You've got the TombSquad, and you think of like 6 or 7 people. Go through these pictures of the premiere. You're gonna see pictures with like 30 or 40 of these shirts, and everybody has a spot, and everybody has a job that they do. Nobody rode for free. Listen, y'all, and just that fast, man, when you come into the atmosphere, you come in and you feel the energy, man, that whole tired thing, that whole I had to get up and that I'm walking and I'm trudging because I'm tired, man, it goes away instantly. Instantly, bro. The energy just comes all the way in, man. All the way. I will not waste these opportunities. Hey, it's almost over.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. DJ Khaled.
We're almost done, y'all. We got about 5 minutes left. We're just trying to get our feet back together.
When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts.
We're just getting our feet back under us. About to have to tear down this whole thing. We're gonna be working all night. We're gonna have a good dinner, and then it's back to Tampa for a good time with friends and family, and we're gonna show out. They're outside having a meeting about Jason Patridge's clothes. You see the way air conditioning vents are set up. I'm over here not caring.
They feel good.
How do you feel about air conditioning?
Well, growing up in Mexico.
So that's it. That's a wrap. Premiere 2018. In the Uber. Headed back to the airplane. You get beamed. How's the trip, bro?
The trip was amazing. It was amazing, man. Just real tired. Tired.
Loved it, man. It was, you know, I've been down here several times, and this time was definitely a very unique trip. It was one of the most fun. Had a lot of fun. You guys are going to see that. Be sure to check the vlog out on Bossio's channel. Yeah, man, it was good. Hopefully you guys know that you can keep doing the same things and keep getting the same results, or you can step it up. You can grind it out. Do something different, man. And you can find yourself living out dreams that you didn't dream, you know? I actually lost it on the trade show floor at one point. I didn't tell you guys this, but after I got off the stage this last time, I was really overwhelmed because I kept thinking about like having wet socks and sleeping in a laundromat. And then even later I thought about the irony of that. But all I could think about was where I was and where I am. And you see these visuals, you know, you see the places that we are and the people and the company that we're in, and just the influence and the inspiration. You can't help but to be inspired when you keep company with driven individuals. So check your circle, man. If you don't have somebody that's driving you or pushing you to do better or be successful, you don't have to be mean, man, but you can make a decision to go a different direction. So I just, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like it, give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys thought about the trip. And let me know about your progress. What have you done? What's been going on with you in the last year or two? What are some milestones or some hallmarks of your journey? Be back with the next. We're gonna get back. When I get back, we're gonna be back to the Successful Shop series. You know, we're gonna talk about walk-ins versus appointments. And like I said, let's argue. Till next time, peace.